I'm now at Wembury and overlooking Wembury Beach. It actually stopped raining for a short time. The sound of running water. And that is Wembury Church. It's nice the tide is out. You've got plenty of room to walk down on the beach today. And hopefully my new microphone is working well. You don't hear all the wind, which would be nice. Isn't it nice looking out over the waves? I'm not sure you can see the big ship that's out there. There's plenty of seabirds around here this morning, which is good to see. But my bigger lens is at home, which is not very good, is it? But I'll just leave you to see the waves coming into Wembury. We've even got a little bit of sun this morning, which is very nice. I hope you've enjoyed this video of Wembury. It's a short one. It's nice to be out for a short walk this morning whilst it's not raining. And I do hope the microphone is doing me proud, and hopefully you cannot hear the wind. It is quite windy this morning. And if you'd like to like and subscribe to help my channel grow. So I'll catch you all on the next one, and thank you for watching.